Тоже неплохо.
The beer that volunteers present, it's a gift from volunteers. Вечером, ребят.
Пиццу.
Но вряд ли у нас получится пиццу, поэтому будем есть бутерброды с колбасой.
Ну да.
Немного у нас есть одежды, воды и еды. Да?
In the morning, at maybe 5 o'clock, we are wake up with the sounds of airplanes, and something was explosion. Yeah, was explosion, but we didn't know where is it. So a lot of sounds. A lot of cars, a lot of kilometers of cars, and we decided to go by foot. So my husband tried to drive us as near to border, and then we go by foot maybe 5 or 6 kilometers with the clothes. Every kid's crying because they left their father.
You've spoken to him?
Yes, he's maybe in Carpathian Mountain. I don't know. We do not say right now where our husbands. We can't do it.
Oh my God.
It's destruction.
Свахина работа сгорела.
What he can do right now? No, nothing. Just waiting and save money, save lives. He with our friends, with 2 kids, and they can't cross the border because second kid is very little. It's very hard to cross the border because when we are crossing, there was maybe 100, 200 person, but right now it's maybe 3,000 person. So it's very dangerous because a lot of it's a crowd. It's everybody have nervous. Everybody no water. No, they staying here all night. Maybe 6-7 hours with the kids on the street, on the it's cold weather, as we see, and they're waiting to go border this border.
But everybody sees American citizen. Say thank you. Thank you very much, guys.
It was very simple, very nice. We can say anything we want. We can do everything we want. Somebody told that we need to speak only Ukrainian. It's not true. We speak in Russian. My kids speak Russian. It's okay. They learn Ukrainian in school. They have exams at school. We have our documents in Ukrainian. It's okay.
Меня здесь не грохнули.
Алиса, иди сюда.